Hi everyone, this is just a short video on how to reset the check maintenance required light on the 2008 Toyota Camry. This is 2008 Toyota Camry. So the light right there, basically how to reset that. So all you have to do is, turn your car to on, and then using this trip reset button, set your stuff down to trip A, and then you turn it back off. And then at this point, what you have to do is press and hold the trip reset button, press and hold, and then turn the car engine on. That's gonna happen. He's gonna be blinking right here. The checking maintenance required light is gonna blink at the same time. Once it gets down to 0, everything will go off, and then you release that button. Then go back off, start the car, and everything is good to go. Alrighty guys, that's just the brief and short direct how to reset the maintenance required light. You can work on the 2007 to 2009 or 10 Toyota Camry, but this is a 2008, so that works perfectly. Alright, thank you, bye.